Good evening, everyone. This is, can you hear my voice? Please to give some reactions so that I can understand. Yes, can you hear me? Yeah, thank you. So good evening, everyone. This is Sai Joshi. Currently, I'm pursuing my third year BTech from CSM, and I'm GDG, GBPC, AIML lead. So today we are all good to go with Solution Challenge 2025. Just a minute. So are you all ready to get started? Fine. Um, so let me walk you through what is the solution challenge. So every year, Google developer groups from India, they actually funded the solution challenge, and this year it is in collaboration with Hack to Skill, especially for all the student developers from various colleges and universities. Um, to participate over in this. It is similar to type of Smart India Hackathon where we are going to have different students are going to participate in this. So you get to participate in many programs in many issues such as education, healthcare, sustainability, and also you'll be able to use Google Developer Technologies. So mainly it focuses on using AI technologies and recent tech stuff so that is actually going to give you much more credits. So you might be wondering why the solution challenge is actually going on and how will we be benefited from this and why should we participate. The first one is that you get a chance to tackle real world issues. As I already mentioned, that it's all about education, healthcare, and cutting edge AI technologies. And second, and one of the most important thing is you get scope to network with like-minded people. You can connect with student developers to share ideas, to collaborate, and to grow together. You'll be able to upskill and build good solutions in order to solve, like pressing real-world issues using your tech stuff. And last but not the least, you'll be able to get recognition. Like you get various opportunities for many solutions with key focus on AI. So that recognition is very important because wherever you see on LinkedIn or anywhere, recognition matters the most. So the theme, coming to the theme for the challenge, it's on 17 themes that GDG has provided us. And all these are real world problems using Google Developer Technologies. And over here, major focus, as I said before, it's all about AI and real world tech stuff. So there are 17 themes, and the first one is about no poverty and zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, and you can also see various themes like reduced inequalities, sustainable cities and communities, climate action, peace, justice, and strong institutions and partnerships for the goals. So you might be wondering who all can participate in this. Well, we have GDG on campus chapter that is DVPCA. So that if you're a part of our college campus, definitely you get the scope to participate. And don't worry about that. We have a GDG campus, so you all are eligible for participating into it. If at all there are any non-GDG on campus, they have to contact to the nearby GDG campuses. But luckily, our college has GVPC, like a GDG campus, so you can join into it. So I'll also tell you of how to join and all, if at all you are not a participant in that. So the registrations, guidelines and criteria, so you can join individually or you can also form a team of up to 4 members. So at max, only 4 members is possible. And a participant can join in only team A, like for example, only in one team. Say so you are from a team A, you cannot join in another team, team B. Okay. So only you should be in a part of on a single team and make sure that you're 18 years or older to be eligible and you should be enrolled in any university or college of India. like, yeah, it must be an established university or a college. And coming to the submission guidelines and criteria, one team, irrespective of how many team members you have, only like a single submission can be done from the entire team, and the entire process must be done in English. So the timeline for this campaign is registrations, they all begin from 6th of Jan. So we are going to also share it in the Solution Challenge group when the registration links and all. Don't worry about that. Then you'll be and it lasts from 6th January to 6th March 2025. Then the project, then you'll be having virtual training sessions by GDG, that is Google Developer Groups, which starts from 13th Jan to 20th February. You can start submitting your projects from 20th February to 23rd March. And your projects will be going on for evaluation from 31st March to 20th April. And after that evaluation, if at all you'll be among the top 100, then you get a chance to be shortlisted for the initial shortlist. So there you'll be getting the filtration one. That will be done on 21st April 2025. Later on, you'll be getting virtual mentorship from Google experts itself. And if at all you're in top 100, so that will be from 22nd April to 20th May. Later on, from 21st April to 25th May, you have this time span for submitting your prototypes, and evaluations will be done from 2nd June to 15th June. And this is the second evaluation, and this is mainly done to filter the top 10 top 10 teams. And finally, the like winners announcement and all will be done in and around second week of July 2025. And as it is mentioned over here that the timelines will be changing if at all there is any, like glitches or issues or anything from their side, they're going to change it and updation will be done as soon as possible. So basically, this is all of 4 phases. So the first one is the registration phase. Then the second one is your idea submission. Then, if at all you will be among the top 100, you'll be getting your mentorship. And finale will be for the top 10. So coming to the registration phase, you can register as an individual. So it is mandatory that every one of the team is registering and all of you have the developer profile link of Google. You need to verify your GDG on campus, and since we are GVPCEA, you have to give the company name as Gayatri Vidya Parishad College of Engineering Autonomous. And you can form a team of up to 4 members. It can span from 1 to 4. There is a bit confusion whether it is 1 or 2 in minimum, that we are going to make sure if at all we get any further updates. And coming to the submission phase, you need to finalize your problem statement. So whatever theme, like in previous slides, I've shown you the 17 themes. Out of that, you can finalize any of the theme and you can come out with a problem statement. You need to build your project. And how can you submit is that you can submit it like through the links that they're going to provide you. And that should be in the form of a video, which will be about 3 minutes. And make sure that you have a GitHub repo. And there will be few additional credits if at all you're building the projects on IDX platform. How to build IDX or how to install IDX, several YouTube videos are available. Please go out and check out how to build IDX platform. Especially it is useful for building Flutter. And if you're aware of Flutter or this particular IDX platform, then this is the right place for you, because this is going to give an additional credit. And also you can make use of Gemini APIs, which is Google's LLM model. And the top 100 shortlisted teams will get an access to a mentor. They are going to evaluate your projects. They are going to give you few suggestions, few feedback, and you will be able to, you're going to make few corrections and all. And finally, you're going to do the submission. And again, the submission protocol is same. Your video of 3 minutes and your GitHub repo. And that video can be of a YouTube video or a Vimeo video. Make sure it is clear so that they can understand it well. Yeah, coming to this, creating your Google profile. I'll be just walking you through of how to create this. Let me know if you can see the Google Developer Program page. Any reactions? Okay, I hope you can see the screen. So already I have my Google Developers profile. Um, Over here, if at all you do not have, you can just sign it up. There's no much difficulty. And if you have, just go to the profile. Can you see my profile? Okay. So over here, you have a gear symbol near your name. So my name is Palvalsa Sai Joshita. So I'm just clicking on the gear symbol. And here you will give the role as student. Here you'll give your name and pronoun is she or her because I'm a girl. And over here you have to give the name of your college. So ours is Gayatri Vidya Parishad. I'm just typing it. And there's all stuff you can fill and you can give your social media links. Just click on save. Yeah. So also make sure that it is in public mode. Sometimes like by default, it will be in private mode. So make sure that go to change settings if at all it is in private. I'm just showing you how you can change. Over here, actually initially by default it will be private, but make sure that you make it public. Okay, and after doing that, it just gets public. And here you need to give a custom web address. You need say my you can give your name also, anything of your wish. So I'll give my name, Sai Roshita. Yeah, and indeed. Okay. Um, it must be in between 3 to 30 characters. It must contain letters and there should be no spaces, no symbols or any special characters. After that, when you click on save, it gets saved and it will be asking you a confirmation link that you cannot change for up to 30 days this particular address. So once you create this, your Google developer profile is created. So I'm just creating Cancer because I don't want it because already I have an other account. Okay. So that is how you're going to create your Google developer profile and or you're going to fill all your details and yes, your profile setup is done. So all this is what I've explained you. And coming to the project submission. So make sure that whatever project that you're going to submit, it will be after 1st December 2024. Like if you give your GitHub repo, make sure that that is being built after 1st of December 2K24 because you'll be having some previous projects and if you give that GitHub repo provided is so say so it is before December 2024, no matter how much hard work you have done, that is not going to be considered. And also, as I said, you need to share the link to your source code on GitHub. And also, you need to submit a deck that is your speech and all the documentation stuff that will explain your solution using the provided template. Here, there's a provided template. So, mm, I'm not sure whether it is. Yeah. So this is the provided template that they gave us. So we are going to share it in the group also. So you have initially you'll be having team name, team lead, and problem statement. You'll be having a briefing about your solution, how like you're going to fill all the details that is being listed in this particular slides, and there are a total of like around 15 slides, and you're going to fill in that. Um, Next, as I mentioned that you'll be getting additional points if you're going to use Google, Gemini APIs and IDX platform or Vertex AI. And language and platform compatibility, make sure that everything is in English. Here it is clearly mentioned. It must be in English. Okay. And all materials like your code, documentation, your videos, your presentations must be in English. And you should clearly highlight how your project is going to align with the objective. Take some particular theme, poverty, and if you have some solution, you must clearly mention of how it is going to impact. And also, it is very mandatory that you're going to utilize an AI solution. Hmm. So yes, we are going to have this functional prototype and all. It is going to be utilizing the AI solution. And top 100 teams will be shortlisted after the first evaluation, as I said. And the shortlisted teams is definitely going to receive the mentorship from the Google team. Okay. So the prototype submissions and the evaluation criteria. mm, so you'll be having 40 percentage weightage to the technical merit, like how your solution will be scaled for wider adoption, whether it is going to be, like justified or not. Everything for that, whether it is written well in technically or not, it is going to see all that. And then user experience will be 10 percentage, like how well your particular solution is going to help out users. And alignment with costs, that takes about 25 percentage, like how relevant your problem is to the real world solutions, I mean to the real world problems and all, how relevant it is going to uh, like it is going to showcase. And finally, innovation and creativity. See, like you're going to take that using AI tools and all, already somebody must have created the same, but how much creativity you have contributed from your end, so that is going to carry out 25 percentage. So here it is 50-50, total of 100 percentage is how it is being divided. So as I said, if you are lucky enough and your team gets into the top 100, then definitely you're going to get mentorship and you'll get access to pool of mentors. And final submission, this is only for top 100 teams and they are going to have a different template. Previously, I've shown you the template for all the participants in the initial stage. After the filtering, you're going to have the final submission for the top 100 teams. So I'm also going to show you that. Yeah. This was also 25, 15 slides, but you have some additional things over here as compared to that. Mhm. That's it. So top 10 teams will be going into the finale after the second evaluation. Like from top 100 to top 10, they're going to be shortlisted, out of which, the top 10 teams will get a chance to pitch their, problem statement and idea to the jury, that is directly to the Google experts at Google office somewhere off location. If at all they wanted to change, it is going to become on location. Like online. Then exciting cash prizes will be there. Like the winner will be getting 2 lakhs, and first runner up is 1 lakh 50, and second runner up is 1 lakh 25. Special category is going to have 75,000 each. And certificate of participation will be provided for everyone. And top 100 is going to get a special certificate, and top 10 is going to get a certificate of achievement. And this is how your journey looks like, taking it from your problem statement to registration submission, then prototype and mentorship if at all you are into top 100, and finally into the grand finale, hopefully if you'll be into the top 10. And this is how you can reach out to their teams, and I'm going to share all the links in the WhatsApp group. So I hope that you're all ready to make an impact and you're going to participate in this because this is definitely going to give you a good experience. It also inculcates in you the competition skills and like participating in hackathons and all will add more value to your resume. And this is not just a simple one because this is being organized by Google. So yes, thank you for having me. If you have any doubts, you can please ask me. If no doubts, yes, freshers also can participate. Even if you're in the first year, you are likely to participate. And I'm sharing the WhatsApp link. You can join it. Still, any doubts? We have only 7 minutes left, and the meeting will be entered automatically. So, I've shared the WhatsApp link. You can just